Once members have been added to the BIM360 Hub, we can then assign them into individual projects. As an account admin, I'm going to select the existing current project. Once inside this, I switch into the project admin environment. Here you will see under the project members, it just lists the module leader. We can then add in further project members to complete the project setup. To add the members to the project, simply select the Add button. Here we can identify the project members by the email address. Simply start to type the email address of the required project member. This will then show a list of the members required. Simply add the member based upon their email address. Repeat the process to add all the required members to the project. Once you have selected all the required members, choose the Select option. This will automatically populate the Add Project Members screen. Please ensure that you check that each of the correct companies are assigned and the correct roles. For each of the students, they need to have multiple roles assigned. Firstly, they will have their student individual followed by their number, and they also want to assign the SA for student all. This will then control the correct access in BIM360. Once we have the student members added with the correct roles, we can now choose Add to Project. Once the members have been added to the project, BIM360 will email each project member confirming they have been added to this BIM360 project. When a member is added to a BIM360 project, they will each get assigned an individual member status. In BIM360, there are three types of member status. The first one is active. This is where they've been invited to a project, given access to a service, and they have then activated their BIM360 account. We also have a pending status. This is when members have been added to a project, given a service, but they have not yet activated their BIM360 account. We also have a final status called inactive. This is where 1, they have not been invited to a project, or 2, they have been disabled by an account administrator. The member status then allows the account and project admins to easily see the status of each of the project members. When a member's status remains as pending, we can resend them an invitation email to re-prompt them to join the project. This can be done by simply selecting the checkbox to the side of a pending user. We will then get the Resend Invitation button. Simply left click to select it, and this will resend a new invitation to that project member to activate their BIM360 account. The filter control within the members view can be used to drill down into which member has which service. If we select the Insight section, you will see it will only show the project members that have access to this service. To clear the filter, select the See All button.